Good morning, this is Bye Bye Money, and today is October 2nd. And welcome to day 11 of my journey to doubling my account using only price action. I've been missing a couple days, just been busy, and honestly saw some price action that I didn't like, so didn't do, a couple days. But here I am, hopefully capture some content today. Um, so yeah, let's see what the market gives us. Um, if you're watching, thanks for joining me on this journey. Let me know if there are any other topics you'd like to know about for price action in the comments. I'm doubling a 5K account in the MES before moving to ES. Theoretically, if you can double an account in the MES, you can double an account in the ES. In fact, it is harder to trade the micros since the percentage of commissions is more for the micros. I began this journey because if you can make 1% a day, it'll take 100 days to double your account. There are 252 trading days in a year, so it'll take less than half a year to double your account. If you can double your account twice, then you would have 4x your account in 1 year. Then every year after that, it will be exponential growth. I'm currently around 27%. I've been making an average of about 1 to 2% a day, so I'm currently on track to doubling my account in 2 to 3 months. I always have my account amount on the top of my screen. Price action strategy I use is the two-legged pullback. Two-legged pullback simply is a pattern that looks like this. First pullback, first entry, second pullback, and then we enter into the second entry. We like to enter short here in this scenario. And same thing here, first pullback, first entry, second pullback, and then we like to enter here for the second entry. And we like to look for these second entries in key area points such as moving averages, support resistance lines, and trend lines. As you can see on my screen, I have a bunch of numbers. This is a script I made that counts legs, and so it lets you know when there's a two-legged pullback. And so here is a two-legged pullback. The dark red and dark green zeros are two-legged pullbacks, and you can see also here the tick count plus the upcoming leg, what it will be, the number and also the type by the color. Type as in, is it two-legged pullback or is it a trap? Traps are magenta colors, magenta boxes here. As you can see, this up leg did not make 5 ticks, scalper's profit, missed it by 1, and so the next leg down is a trap. So if you want to learn more about the strategy, you can check out the channel, and I have other videos, other playlists explaining just what we're looking for and what a two-legged pullback is, how to count legs, things like that. Al Brooks recommends you trade your I don't care size. So for me, that's 3 contracts, 2 scalps, and 1 runner. I use the 2584 tick chart as my main chart. Mac from Price Action Trading System uses the 2000 tick chart, which is fine, but I like to use the 2584 since it is the closest Fibonacci number to 2000. Why Fibonacci numbers? Well, because Fibonacci numbers appear all over in nature, and so if the market reflects human nature, I like to use the Fibonacci numbers when I can. I also use some other charts to help see different time frames, and these are all Fibonacci numbers: 610, 2584, 10,946, and also use the 5-minute because Al Brooks used the 5-minute, and I like to mimic the best. So if you see me switching, it's all the same ticker, but just different time frames. Now onto the technical analysis. I'd like to first start off with marking the close of yesterday. Alright, so I put yesterday's close on all my charts. Now let's draw some channels here. Let's get the big picture. Let's start with the lowest point that we can find. This is a channel, big channel, bouncing off here, finding ourselves on it again, starting way back here. Now we're using the top of this channel as support and actually keep breaking underneath it. I feel like it's gonna break down, but don't call it until it actually happens. Would have a channel like this, and then we'll have to update these pivots. Pop, 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 pop. The reason why I update it is because it breaks out, comes back in, touches it, breaks out, it comes back in here. So this channel is still valid. This needs to be updated. And within this channel, I like to have this channel here. And we'll see which channel prevails. So right now we have two things going on. And then now the more intermediate price action, we have this channel that just broke. This trend just broke upwards, but under the 20 EMA, so we wait. Let's get the 5 minute. How does my 5 minute look? Every chart is very different, so I like to chart the 5 minute because it tracks time and price, whereas tick tracks time or price and volume. Here we have an obvious channel, and now it's hitting me underneath it. Jeez, you can see small clue. Wow, what happened last night? Was there some sort of news? Because that's not normal for 1 a.m. That's incredible. Similar thing going on over here. Yeah, does this look here? Our channels look kind of crazy. I'm going to actually get rid of this because it's kind of zigzagging through it, even though it might act as a support or resistance. It's just too much noise right here. Yep, we're breaking out. Now we're slicing through the 20 EMA. This is the 2K chart. I'm thinking 240 SMA is my goal right now, my target. And once it hits that, I will be looking to go short. I need a good signal bar on a 240 SMA. Okay, reaching 240 SMA, looking for a short here. Didn't quite touch it, but good enough for me right now. It's a good signal bar. No, not good enough. Signal bar is not good enough for me. Good spot, but not strong enough signal bar. Give me a better signal bar here. Popping through the 240 SMA, slicing through it, come back down, Give me a good signal bar. Wow. This doesn't want to come back down. Does not want to come back down. Top of this channel. Can get there. Terrible signal bar. Cannot trade the signal bar. Cannot go short there. All one leg in the 10K chart. 10K chart obviously wants to hit this top of this channel here. I think I will wait till the top of the channel is hit. Even if this breaks down, I want to wait till the top of this channel because it's so obvious on the 10K chart. 5-minute chart as well. 240 SMA. Top of the channel. Almost would like have a limit order here, but let's just get the two-legged pullback. Strong move up. Does it want to go to yesterday's close? Okay. It's close enough for me. Let's get a two-legged pullback here. Shoot. There we go. Point made. Can we get a runner? Would you be so kind? Would you be so kind? Would you be so kind? I put one tick above. Alright, I got the runner hit. 4 points. Let's go. Could have kept it. Could have kept it. So, as you saw on the 10K chart, hit the top of the channel. I moved to the 2K chart. It didn't quite get there in 2K. Maybe my line's not perfect. My line is a little off. A little bit off. Good up there. It missed it a little bit by the 2K chart, but 10K chart hit it. It's, pretty much spot on for me. Good enough for me, at least. So, also, if you look at the 5-minute, hit the 240 SMA, made a small tail or wick, and bounced off the top of the channel as well. I want to get here before taking any shorts. $240 coincides with the 240 SMA on the 10K chart. You would have got trapped right there. For those who went short, you're already trapped out. At least some sort of type of range here. Struggling to get there on the 5-minute. So close on 10K. I really wanted to hit before going short. Not sure if we're gonna get there. Another trap waiting. So if you were trapped out here, you had your chance to get out right now with this candle. Say you entered right here, one tick below, you were able to get out to break even. When you saw the trap happen, I would have moved it to break even if you're trying to go short there. I'm still waiting for the 240 SMA to hit. Nice if we can get the top of this channel on the 5-minute, but we missed it once here already, so I'm not sure if we're gonna get it. Close, close. Okay, 5-minute almost hitting target. About almost 2 points away. But 8 ticks away. 10K chart pretty much hitting the 240 SMA. Might be looking for a short now and a good signal bar. Say this bar went all the way back down here, I would not be interested because of potential range. Okay, missed it by like a tick basically, but I think that's close enough. I think that's close enough. Close enough for me. Be better if it can actually hit it, but close enough for me. There it is. There it is. There it is. Not interested in going short here. Give me a good signal bar. There it is as well. 240 SMA. We wait for a good signal bar here. I think good signal bar will happen soon. 5 minutes hitting this 240 on the 10K chart. Good signal bar. Give me a good signal bar here. Interested in going short. $200 more ticks. Feeling it's gonna give me a good signal bar. Nope, bad signal bar, terrible signal bar. Waiting for a good signal bar. The 10K. Waiting for a good signal bar here. Yeah, so the 5 minute, so this pivot, we're approaching it and we pierced it. Now I'm trying to trade the 2K chart at that resistance. But need a good signal bar here. Don't pop prematurely. Come on. Not a good signal bar. Does it still want to go up? There's more to go. More to go. Incredible. Give me a good signal bar. Like the 5 minute to alright. This is the signal bar I'm waiting for. Alright, I'm in this trade for the signal bar. Give me my point. Okay, might try me out. Still waiting. Create a trap. Trap makes an easy point. double top, still in this trade, still in this trade. Let's wait for it to finish. Coming back down, still wouldn't have broken me. Not skunking this, there we go. But alright, it's two-legged pullback here. I'm interested in this on the 5-minute. Big two-legged pullback, A, B, C, right on Q, and looking for a point here. At the top of this channel, created by these two pivots, way back here. Technically need to update this now, here, and we'll include all of this price action now. It's a huge range now. Alright, I'm in the trade. Looking for a point. I'll just get out here. My full point. 3 points, 3 ticks. Or 3 contracts. Move this up here. Alright, 3 contracts made. The reason why I do that is because typically this oscillates so much on the higher tick frames. It's like stop you out so quick. So I just rather get my scalps in. Target is this bottom of this trend line, created by this pivot and this pivot, waiting to get here. Wouldn't be interested here. This would be potential trap. Potential trap trade here. With the magenta. I just make a point right here, but how do we look on the 610? Okay. Looking bad on the 610. I'm interested in this trap here. Interested in this trap. Wait to get this target. Sure. Wait till we get here. This trap. Okay, still a good trap. Okay, now it's coming down hard. patient. Moving the stop one tick above here. Still have 500 ticks left. Yeah, let's just do it here. It's just one extra tick. So why is this a trap? A, B, C, and people thought it would reverse here, but rather it couldn't make a scalper's profit, went the other way. Alright, so we hit our target pretty much. Okay. Alright, end of the day recap here. Ended the day about 2% up, $100. As you can see here. Had a couple scale-ins, break even. I actually had 2 losses today and still came out about 2%. My losses were small, quick, so I just got out, took the loss. But at the end, up 2%, and pretty happy about that. Yeah, today honestly was a bit crazy. You know, we were just doing this for most of the day, and it was kind of hard to honestly find a trade. And so, but had a couple good setups throughout. Starting from 9:30, you know, around this time I made some of my money, and at the end it was just waiting for this to resolve. And the reason why I had 2 L's is because I was I was trying to trade moments where I shouldn't have been trading, you know, moments like this when it's like choppy, moments like this when it's kind of choppy. And so yeah, so I got 2 L's, but still end up green. And yeah, hope this has been helpful, and yeah, till next time, God bless.